teddy bear.
You mind to come in the video?
Oh, I don't care.
Okay. I thought it was going to be...
Hello.
your baby's jealousy.
Oh, girly, you want to talk? Oh my God, she's dirty as hell. I love you, but you're very dirty.
I
You were
know.
really warm before, now you're not.
Nobody want to play.
No, they all want to pass out. All right, come on, girl.
I like sometimes to do the video when they play, but today I'm not expecting they're not gonna. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Rudy. 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 You leaving?
Yeah, they like the grass, and you don't let them roll in the grass.
Yeah. I walk when I back home. I let them to stay in the grass for a while, just to have the sensation to be without the leash here. It's good.
I'm going to let a little roll in the grass. Hi there! How you
If
doing?
you wanna see the video, you have my card, no?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Send the email I sent to you.
Okay. What's
Okay.
the name of the company again? Or your name?
I can give my card, another
Yeah,
card.
I'll take another one. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hope you will see another day when it's more cool.
Yeah.
Maybe they can enjoy a little more together.
Yeah, you're goodbye.
I'm going to stay just for 5 minutes more and then I leave. Sophie, stay. Hello, hi, what's your name? Roxanne. Roxanne. Hi, Roxanne. Hello, baby.
Is all yours?
No, just chance. What is the ball? 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 Huh? What is the ball? Bring the ball. Come, let's go. Oh. I don't see the... What is the ball? Huh? Hey, Sophie? Where's the ball, Sophie? You like to be in the video? I know. You like it, Rosia. Yeah, and you too. And you too. You're a little jealous, yeah? From you. From you. Now he's 1 up to you to 10. When I finish with you.